REOLINK RLK16-800B8, the PoE powerhouse that watches 24/7 without the hassle. Ever felt like your security setup is more prankster than protector, blasting alerts for every leaf or squirrel while real threats slip by unnoticed? That gnawing frustration of endless false alarms draining your battery and sanity during family barbecues or late-night checks. It's the stuff of security nightmares. If this chaos rings true, drop your wildest false alarm tale below. Let's commiserate before unveiling the REOLINK RLK16-800B8 4K PoE system's game-changing calm. Now crank up the tension. Deadlines to fortify your home before vacation. Stress from glitchy apps that ghost you mid-alert. Burnout from sifting through irrelevant footage that leaves you second-guessing every shadow. It's like your system thrives on paranoia, not peace. But imagine reclaiming control with zero added drama. Just intuitive vigilance that whispers when it matters. If alert overload is your daily dread, the REOLINK RLK16-800B8 might just hand you the remote to serenity. Meet the REOLINK RLK16-800B8 4K PoE security camera system. Your sly sentinel transforming paranoia into precision with 8 weatherproof 8-megapixel bullet cameras and a 16-channel NVR boasting 4 terabytes HDD for uninterrupted 24/7 H.265 recording that captures every whisper in the wind. This plug-and-play powerhouse delivers razor-sharp 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD clarity, 4x 1080p's detail, for zooming in on license plates or faces without the fuzz, all powered by a single Ethernet cable up to 330 feet for effortless DIY sprawl. AI smarts shine in person, vehicle, and animal detection, slashing false flags from rustling branches to prowling pets, while infrared night vision pierces 100 feet of darkness with ghostly precision that chills intruders. Remote access via the free REOLINK app beams live views and playback to your phone anywhere, evoking that gut-warming assurance of eyes on your empire. Recall Tom, the hairy dad whose old rig bombarded him during kids' soccer practice. Swapping to the RLK16-800B8 smart filters, he tuned out the noise, catching a sneaky package thief in crisp 4K glory that handed cops airtight evidence. Or Mia, the small biz owner frazzled by vague shadows. The 24/7 loop let her rewind a late-night break-in attempt, her heart racing less as details flooded in like a thriller reveal. Stick around for a sly bonus, a quick NVR tweak to supercharge motion zones, turning your setup into a thief's worst hunch. Savor the surge as the REOLINK RLK16-800B8 4K PoE security camera system elevates efficiency to effortless artistry, sharpening your focus on life while performance patrols tirelessly. Why tolerate mediocre monitors when this kit conjures vigilance like a sixth sense? Installation snaps together in under an hour. PoE simplicity banishing cable spaghetti for sleek coverage, and expandable to 16 channels for future-proof sprawl without the upgrade headaches. Benefits ignite. H.265 compression have storage bloat for weeks of crystal footage on that 4 terabytes drive. IP66 weatherproofing laughs off storms for sensory-sharp views rain or shine. And app alerts deliver snapshots that spark instant intuition. Analysts at SafeWise applaud its exceptional value in prosumer security, with person and vehicle detection curbing alert fatigue like a pro. Tech influencers geek out too. A reviewer marveled. The AI cuts false alarms dramatically, from dozens daily to alerts that actually count. Infinitely more reliable. Users swarm with tales. Installation was a breeze. All 8 cams live on my phone in an hour. Video crisp even at night. Beams one newbie, while another gushes, peace of mind is priceless. Checking from vacation with sharp 4K feels like being there. Worried about the wiring? PoE's single cable magic makes it dummy-proof, outshining wireless woes with rock-solid streams. See why thousands rave about this false alarm slayer that bathes your blind spots in bold detail. Picture the thrill of spotting a fox mid-prowl without the ping-pong notifications. Which perk? The 100-foot night vision or smart detection would fortify your fortress. Comment below and snag a tailored tip to bulletproof your angles. Stocks evaporating on this vigilance virtuoso. Join the savvy squad who fortified with the REOLINK RLK16-800B8 4K PoE security camera system. From medium mavens touting its game-changing sharpness that buries old setups, to ex-users swearing by REOLINK PoE for flawless 4K feeds minus the China data drama. If fuzzy fears haunt you, claim yours now and unlock that exclusive animal filter hack for alerts as sharp as your instincts. Comment yes for the secret app shortcut. Don't just peek. Power up today and wrap your world in watchful wonder.